Lads and Dads is a men's mental wellbeing group based in Bridgend, but we cover vast sort of swathes of the country. We started off with 8 people in a room, and we're now at the point where we have just short of 2,400 members.
I found myself in a position where I didn't want to be here anymore. So seeing Rob's message, asking if anybody wanted to meet up, just have a coffee and just be a place for guys to get together and talk, kind of was the right time. Because I think without seeing that, I wouldn't have got involved with Lads and Dads, and I don't even know if I'd actually be here myself today.
This group has made a huge impact. It's saving lives. It's saved my life, and it's probably saved hundreds. It's run by volunteers. It's run by people who work. It's run by people who've got families. And we're still out there helping other people.
There's more to this than, mental well-being, I guess, and mental health. This is about, belonging. I benefit from this as much as the person that's been there for 4 years, the person that's been there for 4 days.
The stigma for men is it's not manly to go and reach out for support. In our group, we have a vast array of different men from different backgrounds. And actually, our message is, it's okay to say you're not okay.